Economic efficiency is achieved when goods and resources in an economy are allocated to their most valuable uses without any unnecessary waste or underutilization. A system is said to be economically efficient when the factors of production are utilized to their maximum potential. Economic efficiency principles are based on the idea that resources are limited. Consequently, there are insufficient resources to ensure that the economy operates at peak efficiency at all times. Instead, scarce resources must be distributed optimally in order to meet the needs of the economy while also limiting the amount of waste produced. The ideal state is related to social welfare, with peak efficiency resulting in the highest level of welfare possible given the available resources. Productive businesses seek to maximize profits by generating the most revenue while minimizing costs. To do this, they select an input configuration that minimizes their costs while producing as much output as possible. They operate efficiently as a result. When all firms in the economy do so, it is referred to as productive efficiency. Similarly, consumers seek to maximize their well-being by consuming combinations of final consumer goods that provide the greatest total satisfaction of their wants and needs at the lowest cost to them. The resulting consumer demand guides productive firms to produce the right quantities of consumer goods in the economy that will provide the highest consumer satisfaction relative to input costs, via supply and demand laws. Allocative efficiency occurs when economic resources are allocated across different firms and industries in a way that produces the appropriate quantities of final consumer goods. Finally, because everyone values things differently, and because the law of diminishing marginal utility applies, the distribution of final consumer goods in an economy is either efficient or inefficient. When consumer goods in an economy are distributed in such a way that each unit is consumed by the individual who values that unit the most highly in comparison to all other individuals, this is referred to as distributive efficiency. It should be noted that this type of efficiency assumes that the amount of value that people place on economic goods can be quantified and compared across people. There are also other types of efficiency besides productive, allocative, and distributive efficiency mentioned thus far. We will explore these in Part 2.